I am Jisnoor and today I'll be brushing your knowledge about the IB learner profiles. What are learner profiles? How many learner profiles are there? I'm sure you all know the answer. There are 10 learner profiles: an inquirer, knowledgeable, a thinker, a communicator, principled, open-minded, caring, a risk-taker, balanced and reflective. But what is a profile? Just try to answer this question. Think about a Facebook or a MySpace profile. Yes, you're right. A profile is the description of a person's qualities, values and characteristics. Now we'll start learning about various learner profiles in detail. Learners who are inquirers, they have natural curiosity in them to know more about things. They always want to know more, develop skills to use research, and they really enjoy learning. So a learner who's an inquirer would always say, I'm curious and enjoy learning. I try to find out new things. Next learner profile that we have is knowledgeable. So knowledgeable learners explore various concepts, ideas and issues. They acquire the in-depth knowledge of every subject. They develop understanding of different disciplines. Next, who is a thinker? They apply thinking skills to solve problems. They use their creativity to solve complex issues. They make reasoned ethical decisions. Next, let's see which learner profile comes. It's a communicator. Who is a good communicator? Who understands and expresses information very creatively. A learner who uses various forms of communication. A learner who works efficiently and willingly with others. And not only speaking, good listeners are also good communicators, and you need to speak right to be a good communicator. If you are a good communicator, you would say, I can share my ideas with others in many ways and in more than one language. I listen to others. The next learner profile is principled. Learners who are principled, they always act with integrity and honesty. They have strong sense of fairness, justice and respect for others. They take responsibility for own actions and consequences that accompany them. They always try to do the right things, even if they are not being watched by someone. So if you are a principled learner, you will say, I tell the truth and I'm fair. I share and play well with others. Next learner profile that we have is open-minded. How does a learner become open-minded? If you are able to appreciate your own culture and your personal histories, you are open to other people's culture, values and traditions, you respect them. And if you are willing to grow with experiences, then you are an open-minded learner. I listen to other people and respect their ideas. There is always mutual respect amongst each other. Next learner profile that comes our way is caring. How do you become a caring learner? If you show empathy, compassion and respect towards the need of other people. If you have a personal commitment to service, that you always want to do good for others. You act to make a positive difference to the life of others. Little small gestures can make a lot of difference. If you are caring, you would say, I care about people, plants, animals and the earth. I help others and I look after the environment. So you're not only caring towards your friends and humans, but also your environment and your surrounding. Next, how do you become a risk taker? Your approach to unfamiliar situations with courage is what makes you a risk taker. You explore new roles, ideas and strategies. You are brave to do something new. Risk taker does not always mean that you have to do something hard, But those little things which you're not able to do and you gather the confidence to do those things makes you a risk taker. If you are a risk taker, you would say, I have confidence to try new things. I stand up for the things I believe in. Learners who are balanced, they will understand the importance of intellectual balance, emotional balance as well as physical balance. So overall balance is very important. If you're able to manage your time between your studies, your play, if you're able to remain healthy, you are a balanced learner. So if you're balanced, you would say, I look after my mind and my body. I try to stay healthy and happy. Next, we have the learner profile that is reflective. Now, all the work you do, you have to reflect onto that. If you got thinking about your learning, then you are reflective about it. If you can assess your learning and understand your strengths, if you can assess your learning and understand your limitations, then also you are very reflective. If you are a reflective learner, you would say, I think about my own work. I know when I have done well and when I could have done better. So this makes you a very reflective learner when you start reflecting on your own work, when you start assessing your own work. So thank you so much, learners. I hope you all understood about the various learner profiles, and I also thank these various websites which have helped me in creating this video for all of you. Thank you so much.